Tristan is gonna draw the names from the hat for the winners, but first we have something really exciting to talk about.
Alright guys, so we have a very important thing. We have the one and only merch store, which was released on Facebook. If you want to go check out her Facebook, you know, Facebook, there you go, Facebook, alright. But we've released a merch store, and there's mugs, phone cases, shirts. We're probably even gonna do hats. They're gonna release hats and everything, so there's so many different items and everything, so you should go get yourself some merch.
Oh yeah. And then also, just in case you guys didn't know, we do have an Amazon store. So basically everything I use in my kitchen, in my videos, you can find them in my Amazon store. And if you just go to the link, I do make a small percentage of the products that you guys buy. Even if you guys don't want to buy anything in my store, in my Amazon store, I still get a percentage if you go through that link. Alright guys, we are so excited. We get to pick the winners today. So we get 2 winners for 2,000 subscribers.
Yep.
Alright, and so Tristan is going to pick the names and he's going to read them.
Alright, let's see what we got here. We got Alice Hagen. I think I said your name correctly, but Alice Hagen, you won the contest.
Right.
Here's one.
Yeah, perfect.
All right, next one is Grizzly Taco.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
All right, Grizzly Taco and Alice Hagen. Good job.
So you guys have to give me your contact information, your address, so you can either message me through YouTube or you can message me on Facebook or Instagram with your address, and I will send you the prize. And I'm sure you guys want to know what the prize is, but it is a secret. I love surprises, so you are just gonna have to wait and see what it is.
All right, guys.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much.
All right.
Bye.
See you on the next video.